Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are removing all of the seats and beginning our process for a rusted out floor pan removal in my 1969 Beetle. As I said, to begin kind of first steps, we have our new pan. I got this from J-Bugs, and we're gonna pull out all of the interior. So removing the seats, taking up all of the flooring, cleaning it out, and really prepping it for the process that will actually begin the replacement. So you guys will get into this as we're working. I'm gonna put in a little disclaimer that Earl, who's working with me, is dealing with a broken hand. So you may see some moments of that throughout the video, but let's get into it. These seats were genuinely so hard to remove. I feel like they have not actually moved at all or been adjusted in the entire existence of this car. So you'll see us kind of finagling with them for a hot minute here. Just bear with me. Also, as a reminder, I'm not really a video editor, guys. We're learning this together. So stay tuned, but I promise we'll get into some more exciting things in a second.
Oh, you gotta be careful.
Huh?
Just need a minute. Push on my broken hand.
Oh, God. I didn't even. God. Okay, I'll figure it out. As you can see, we're finally getting the last of the two front seats out now. Once we get these fully pulled out, you'll see we're gonna go into the back. The back was definitely a much easier experience. Hey, wait, switch this to that side.
I think you should keep that part in it.
Our real professional. Like literally that's it. That's crazy. Oh, I've never done that. In the next few clips, you're gonna see us working on removing those back seats, taking out the seat belts, all the brackets there, and then really just beginning to clean and scrape up the old floorboards before we get to the floor pan. I don't always love it, but...
Listen, you won. The spider lost. It's all good.
It did.
It did.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. It looks like a drill. It's not a drill. About the safety equipment in this car, Ava.
I don't wear the seatbelt, so it's, I'd rather...
Is that better?
I don't know. You know, like in go-karts when you would rather get launched? Like that's kind of what, like when I get in this, that's kind of what it feels
You're like, I want to get launched
I'm
through
like,
the window.
I think it's better than being in the tin can. Like,
The thing that the glass will run into is our faces.
we'll have helmets on.
Yeah. A year from now, it would be like, Ava, we have helmets on. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I need a helmet right now. Go ahead. Sick.
Like it's all gonna come out. Like it's, I mean, I suppose we could just put a cage. No, he'll light it on fire when he rolls the cage in.
Does that work? This is literally tighter than the seat belts to the B-pillar.
Well, it's good because.
That's awful. Sick.
There you go.
That is
Looks
terrifying.
like a stirrup.
It really does. hell is this vent for?
Vents.
Maybe I would like it to. JK, got it with my bare hands.
That's perfect. It's like you've got.
Very professional. In these next few slides and clips, you're gonna start seeing us really ripping up the old flooring, so the old insulation, cleaning it out, we're scraping everything. You're gonna see us vacuuming, really clearing it, and this is gonna be the prep work to getting to the actual floor pan that we'll be replacing. And it's just a lot of cleanup. I'll be honest, it's kind of a redundant part of the video, but you guys, I just wanted to show you the whole process through and through. Yeah. I can't believe how. Ow!
How about that tetanus shot?
I didn't think about it being metal on the other side. Well, that's brittle as hell.
Well, yeah.
Don't do this at home. I am a seasoned professional. Yeah. Okay, sick. I basically got it. Why is it not suctioning right now? I didn't do anything different since the last time I used it.
It must be.
It's like going out the other side. It's what it. What? Oh my god. What the fuck? Literally, how and when did that happen? Listen, Earl has a broken hand and he can't do much, but he can make a drink. So now we're just finishing up the final cleaning details, and in the upcoming clips, you're actually going to see us cutting out the old floor pan. So we did decide to do an individual floor pan replacement, so you'll see it just in this portion rather than the entire underpan. So just keep that in mind as you're watching some of these segmented cuts that we're doing here.
Let's make sure. Yeah,
I'm gonna like crotch punch myself. Like,
I won't laugh.
Can I?
Maybe I will.
Can I? Far? No. No. I'm scared. Ah, I'm not scared very often, but I'm scared.
More backer.
More. Oh, I'm going in the hole.
More backer.
Ah, this is scary. Ah, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
You gotta use all the fasts.
All
the fasts. All the fasts. All the fasts. Yeah.
Can
Otherwise
I just,
it'll
chisel it away?
No.
Ah!
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut it.
No. Oh my god. Okay. It's like I can't. Why the hell? This is the least safe thing I've done in a long time.
I'm really enjoying it.
I know it's the most fast.
But like it's
like, okay, bitch. Okay.
like
That's so scary. It's bent.
yes,
Has it bent before?
yeah, no, because you just
Oh fuck! It's because I'm scared. Ah! Okay, everything's fine. Everything's fine, bitch.
It's a little scary for me too.
Okay.
It's way louder than that.
Really?
Way louder. Just give it a whack though.
I'm scared. Okay. Did you just go straight through the pan? No! I was trying to tell you!
It's gonna get replaced anyway.
Earl,
What do we see here?
What's funny is I literally can't see it from this side, but I knew by your face. I was like, you just went through the fucking pan.
Hugger machine! Hugger machine!
Oh shit!
A little better than before. So cut it.
I didn't know it was
close to
gonna
the
spark.
bottom. Oh yeah, lots of sparks.
There's so many scary things.
Oh, you got me.
Did I?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Why?
And then where? Just like up?
Yeah, it's.
Oh yeah! Way to go, Earl! Stop with your fucking broken hand.
Oh, this is.
Ah!
It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna cut it right there.
Yep,
on
we
the
sure
outside
are.
of the...
We sure are. Oh, don't hurt yourself. Okay. Alright.
Oh, smash.
So now where's the other? This one. Ah! Earl!
Oh, smash. I told you I was gonna do it.
it. That's cool. Yeah! Ah!
Oh, you did it!
Oh my gosh.
All right. You just cut the floor out of your car.
Honestly, that's what I should get a picture of it. Like,
Just sit on the ground, like.
yeah. So we just cut the floor pan out of this car. What in the world? There's so many more projects to come, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this one, and thanks to Earl for his shop and his help.